everyone, it's Christiane from the Cooking RX, and today I'll be showing you how to make chocolate date energy bites. So I just made some triple nut butter in my mixing bowl, so I'm not going to rinse it out. I'm going to actually add more of that nut butter, as well as some dates, vanilla extract, some more almonds, cashews, a little bit of salt, and some cacao powder. I love to store these chocolate date energy bites in the fridge, and in the afternoon when I need a pick-me-up, I just reach in and grab one. Okay, so let's get started.